Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower, checking out the lineup of gas mowers here at the Home Depot. And holy price shock. Let's start with the really nice here Echo brand. $579 for a self-propelled 21-inch. Moving over to DeWalt, $549 for the yellow brand. And a little cheaper model with rear-wheel drive for $399. Then this is what absolutely blew me away. Here are our basic mowers. Self-propelled, $389. Self-propelled, $369 with a bagger. And their base, $299 for a 20-inch, no bag, self-propelled. $299, 300 bucks plus tax. And you wonder why I, on this channel, spend a considerable amount of time showing you all, teaching you all how to fix mowers. This is the new reality, and this reality sucks, my friends, so let's keep our old stuff going. Till next time, take care.